If I were your Fractional CMO, this is exactly I would tell you to do to get your clinic fully booked in 2026. Not through hack, not through constant posting, and not by burning yourself out trying to do more, but by building a simple, repeatable system that fills your clinic consistent. Let me start by saying this clearly. Most clinics do not have the demand problem, they have the structure problem. Patients are already searching, referrals are already happening, opportunities are already there, but they are just leaking because the system underneath is weak or disconnected. The first place I would start is your Google My Business profile. Most clinic completely ignores it, even though it is one of the highest ROI essay you own. Your Google My Business profile is not just a list, it is your digital front desk. It is often the first impression a patient gets of your clinic even before they visit your website or call your office. If I were guiding you, I would make sure your services are fully optimized, your profile is updated weekly, and reviews are requested consistently and automatically. This is the simple action, but it produces massive visibility and trust. For most clinics, local visibility starts right here. The next thing I will focus on is content for the referral partner, not just patient. Most clinics talk to their public, but the faster growth often comes from the provider who already trusts you. That means building content that speaks to chiropractor, physical therapist, primary care doctor, gym owners, or other professionals who send you ideal patients. You are not just posting to impress people, you are posting to build trust with the right partners. When you tag them, highlight their wins, and share success story, you activate warm referral without even asking for them directly. This is how referral ecosystems are built quietly and sustainably. Next, I will make sure your website works harder. Your website should do two things exceptionally well. It should help you rank locally, and it should convert visitors into the book appointment without friction. That means use niche specific keyword, clear headline that speak directly to the patient intent, and the strong book now call to action on every important page. Every click on your website should move someone closer to become a patient, not closer to confusion. Once the foundation is solid, I will introduce a revenue accelerator one per quarter. Every 90 days, there should be a focus post designed to create predictable cash flow. This could be the past patient reactivation campaign, a workshop promotion, or a referral drive, are supported by simple email or text automation. This is not busy work. This is intentional, predictable revenue. One focus post 4 times a year can stabilize and grow a clinic far more effectively than constant scattered marketing. Another thing I would strongly recommend is batching your marketing like a CEO, not like a practitioner in the survival mode. No more scrambling to post daily or thinking about the content every morning. Instead, I would help you define 3 to 4 content pillars, batch an entire month of content in a single weekend, and stay consistent without burnout. The real win comes when this process can be trained and delegated to the team member, freeing your time to focus on patient and leadership. A system protects your brain and your time, which is your most valuable resource. Now let me introduce myself properly. My name is Mohammed Numan. I am the certified Go High Level expert. Over the year, I have worked with a dozen of businesses across different industries to identify their real growth bottlenecks and build automated systems that actually work. More recently, I have worked closely with the clinic to implement these exact framework using Go High Level as the operating system that connect marketing, follow-up, referrals, and booking into one clean system. I do not believe in scattered tools or disconnected tactics. I believe in alignment and automation. When everything is working together, growth feels calmer, your clinic fill up consistently, your follow-up happen automatically, your referral increase naturally, and your marketing stop depending on constant effort. If you want a fully booked clinic without doing more, the system matters more than the tactics. This is why I invite you to take the next step. Book a free strategy call with me. If you want your clinic fully booked in 2026, do not miss this.